Okay, welcome to this live session. This is actually going to be a very brief live session because the market as a whole is really mixed. The market as a whole is mixed. Price action is really not tradable except if you're trading a different strategy. Okay, for me, I have been a flat for the entire day, hoping to see something develop positively. Okay, in the last review we talked about much of American dollar crosses, and the best advice is to avoid American dollar crosses for now because of the FOMC and the NFP heavyweight news announcements that are scheduled ahead. Okay, all right, let's use this time to talk about a few of the New Zealand dollar crosses. Let's talk about a few of the New Zealand dollar crosses and see what's been going on. Even if the market has been in a range, let's just see what's been going on with the New Zealand dollar pairs, just a few of them. All right, the first one is the euro against the New Zealand dollar. This is the weekly time frame. You will notice that price in this pair, after this a nice run, in fact this trend has been in a sideways bias. Okay, so let's draw our levels of support and resistance. You can see how price was bottoming out around that area and topping out around this area. Okay, so let's just mark that zone as our levels of support. Let's keep this one here. Okay, support there, and let's mark this around there as resistance. Okay, let me zoom in the chart closely so you can see what I'm talking about. Now connect all of these highs, all of those counter trend highs where price has been respecting. Let's connect that with a trend line. All right. Oh, sorry, let me take out this level. Use this line instead. All right, connect all of that with the trend line. You see how price has been finding resistance with that counter trend line, and now this area here seems to be coming in. So at this point of confluence, the best thing to do is to wait for market reaction and look for possible short opportunities. But if price breaks above, then wait for the pullback and search for continuation move. Okay, but for now, too risky to go long against that level of resistance. All right, that's what I want to show you with this pair. It is actually happening in the weekly time frame, and in the daily time frame. After this nice push, it is bound to take a breather around somewhere in here, either go sideways or we get a bounce or a breakout. Okay, so be careful. This is where price action traders will be reading price behavior around this area to find possible entries. For us, we'll keep watching. If we find an entry, those of you in the signal section will get an alert. All right, the New Zealand dollar against the American dollar. This is just another one I want to show you. That price is trading around a critical zone. Okay, although this is an American dollar pair where the FOMC and the NFP heavyweight news announcement are scheduled for this week. So we might not be trading anything here until those news announcements are being released. Price is trading around support area. Okay, that support zone right here, also around this former level of support, which may now be acting as resistance. So it is trapped within that zone. I am sure only the news announcement will be able to push it out of here, either to the downside or back up. Okay, so for now, if you're trading the New Zealand dollar against the American dollar as a long-term trader, you know price is trapped between two levels, that's support and resistance. All right, if price comes back up breaking this level here, then we are going to delete that line. We are going to delete that line. For now, it is trading directly around support zone, so no short around that area. You need price to break below before you can continue to search for short opportunities. But for now, hold your fire. This is not where you want to click on your sell button. All right, next one is the Australian dollar against the New Zealand dollar. I want to show you in the daily time frame that price is dealing with the first level of resistance. That's resistance zone. Okay, resistance zone. You should actually not be buying against that level of resistance in the daily time frame. If you click on your buy button here, you are effectively trading against that level of resistance. Although this pair is bullish, it's still bullish, but we might be finding some pullback to somewhere around this area right there. That is where price might be turning again to the upside. So at this point, hey, be careful going long. I repeat, although this pair is bullish, the Australian dollar against New Zealand dollar is bullish, but be careful going long at this area of resistance. If you want to go long, wait for the breakout, then a pullback and a continuation move. For now, wait. Do not click your buy button. At best, wait for price to come down somewhere around in there. That is where you might be looking for a buy entry. Also remember, in the Forex Factory economical calendar, we have one heavyweight news announcement for the Australian dollar. That is the Reserve Bank of Australia rate statement that will be released early tomorrow morning before the London market opens. This rate statement should be placing all Australian dollar crosses on fire. All right, it should be placing all Australian dollar crosses on fire. So also be careful trading all Australian dollar crosses for now. Okay. All right, I think that is basically all. Nothing really much to talk about. We'll take a break again until something develops for us to trade. And if you are in the live or signal Telegram channel, you are definitely going to get an alert once we find an entry. For now, there is nothing more to talk before the London market opens. Bye for now.